Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from Spokeo step by step. Let's jump in. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. To opt out of Spokeo, first go to the Spokeo homepage. Search for your record using either your name, email, phone, or address. Then click Search Now. Look for your personal record from the search results displayed and click See Results. In the next window, find and copy your personal record URL needed for opting out, then return to the Spokeo homepage. Scroll to the bottom of the Spokeo homepage and click on Do Not Sell My Info. In the Spokeo opt-out form, paste your URL and enter your email. Complete the CAPTCHA and click Opt Out. A confirmation will appear. Check your email to finalize the opt-out. Open the email from Spokeo and click on the link provided. After clicking the email link, you will receive confirmation that your personal information has been removed from the Spokeo website. Congratulations on opting out of Spokeo. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.